Think Tokyo's too expensive? Wrong. I'm showing you how to explore this incredible city on a tight budget. In just a few minutes, you'll learn insider tips to save on flights, food, transport, and epic experiences without missing out. Smash that like button if you love travel hacks, and let's dive in. Scoring cheap flights to Tokyo is all about strategy. Use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner or Google Flights to hunt for deals. Set price alerts, filter by flexible dates, and check nearby airports, Narita or Haneda. Booking 6 to 8 weeks in advance often secures the lowest fares, and midweek flights, Tuesday or Wednesday, are typically cheaper than weekends. For intra-Asia travel, budget airlines like Peach, Jetstar, or AirAsia offer fares as low as $50 to $150 one way, but watch for add-on fees for luggage or seats. Travel in shoulder seasons, April or October, for cheaper flights and fewer crowds, avoiding peak times like cherry blossom season or summer holidays. Be flexible with your travel dates and consider layovers to save more. For example, a round trip from Los Angeles to Tokyo can drop to $500 to $700 with these tactics. Check airline sales and loyalty programs for extra savings. Plan smart, and Tokyo's neon lights and ramen shops are yours without breaking the bank. Tokyo offers diverse budget accommodations for travelers. Hostels like Kyosen Tokyo Samurai provide dorm beds from 3,000 yen, with shared facilities and vibrant social vibes. Capsule hotels, such as First Cabin, offer compact pods starting at 5,000 yen, blending affordability with a unique experience. Budget ryokans like Taito Ryokan deliver traditional charm for around 6,000 yen per night. Guest houses in Asakusa or Ueno, like Sakura Hostel, feature private rooms from 7,000 yen, ideal for couples or solo travelers. Booking platforms like Hostel World or Agoda help snag deals. Early reservations and off-peak travel ensure the best rates in this dynamic city. Tokyo's transport system is efficient and vast, making it easy for tourists to explore. For local travel, Suica or Pasmo cards are prepaid. Rechargeable IC cards ideal for subways, buses, and some trains, 150 to 300 yen per ride. Tap to pay and avoid ticket hassles. Purchase at stations or convenience stores. For unlimited subway rides, Tokyo Metro's 24-hour ticket, SOC 600 yen, covers all metro lines, perfect for city sightseeing. Buy at ticket machines or counters. For travel beyond Tokyo, e.g. in Kyoto, Osaka, the JR Pass is a cost-effective option for tourists. Valid for 7, 14, or 21 days, it covers JR trains including Shinkansen, bullet trains, but must be purchased outside Japan. Ideal for inner-city trips, it's not for local Tokyo travel. Plan routes with apps like Google Maps or Hyperdia for seamless navigation. Tokyo offers a wealth of free and affordable experiences for budget-conscious travelers. Wander through Asakusa's Senso-ji, Tokyo's oldest temple, where vibrant Nakamai Street leads to stunning architecture and serene grounds. No cost to explore. Meiji Shrine, nestled in a lush forest in Harajuku, offers a peaceful retreat with free entry, perfect for soaking in Shinto culture. Don't miss Shibuya Crossing, a mesmerizing urban spectacle where you can join the throng or watch from above at no charge. For low-cost fun, visit Ueno Zoo, 500 yen, home to pandas and diverse wildlife, ideal for families or animal lovers. For a dazzling art experience, book TeamLab Borderless, 1,000 yen, reserve early online, for immersive digital installations. Check for free festival dates. Tokyo hosts countless matsuri year-round, like Sumida River fireworks or Kanda Matsuri, with parades and food stalls. Use a Suica card and apps like Tokyo Cheapo to plan and save. With these hacks, you can explore Tokyo for as little as $50 a day. Subscribe for more travel tips and hit the bell so you never miss a hack. See you in Tokyo.